What's going on, everybody? It's SimplyAG here, coming at you guys with another video over at Six Flags Great Adventure. A little bit late, it's like 12:30 right now, but it's definitely a full day. It's hot and it's packed. We got approval for the DJI camera to be brought in, so hopefully we don't have any trouble with security. We didn't get approval for on rides at Six Great Adventure here, but let's go ahead and get in the park. We're gonna have fun today. Hot one, like I said, so let's go get a drink thing first. All right, see you there.
And of course, Superman looks down. All right, first thing we were gonna do was Superman, but we can't do that anymore. So now, Jersey Devil? I don't know.
I guess so.
Jersey Devil is like my second favorite, so I think we might go do that. It is looking beautiful. Man, the park looks amazing. Full fountains going, rides going, music going. Alright, we're gonna see if we need to get Flash Pass. 10 minutes for King to Ka is pretty crazy.
Everything was like 10-15 pretty much.
46 for the Joker. Oh man.
Oh, dang it.
Jersey Devil 15, so we're definitely doing that. Giant Wheel, no wait. Oh, 10 minute. I'll just say that's a lie. El Toro, no wait.
Oh.
Nitro, 60 minutes. We do have a skip the line pass though. Batman's going up right now. Looks like Jersey Devil is stopped too. So that's our second coaster that we were gonna do first. And the line's only growing. I don't know, what do you think the plan is?
Batman?
Yeah, I guess so. Let's go do Batman. Wow, so they got rid of the Batman mobile. You see that? So now they have a random Maserati here. What happened to the Batmobile? People didn't like it. I liked it. So maybe this is more evidence as to why. It's for the movie.
Yeah.
I see now. It's the Penguin. Interesting. All right, so we just did Batman. It was really fun again.
Really fun. We did back row.
So we may get Fast Pass. Looking at the National Fast Pass as well, because it goes for next year as well. All right, so we got Fast Pass. We have National Ultimate Fast Pass because that's like kind of what we were forced to buying, right?
Yeah,
like we bought the, oh wait, we didn't get that refunded.
Oh,
we didn't go get that refunded. All right, well, we gotta go over there. All right, we just went through a whole like probably 45-minute thing trying to get these Fast Passes, and we were struggling, but we got them. We got National Ultimate Fast Pass. So for the whole season, and this season in 2025, we have Fast Pass Ultimate. It's worth it. I mean, we were just struggling. So we bought the Six Flags Great Adventure one. They didn't let us, or like the system wasn't allowing us to use it because our Six Flags Plus is from New England. So we couldn't use it. So they made us buy the Ultimate Fast Pass National. So like every Six Flags park for the 2025 season, which, you know, it's fine because at Great Adventure, it was $160 more than just the regular Ultimate Fast Pass versus New England, it was only $120 more, so it kind of made out. I mean, if it was $120, I probably would have said yes anyway. So I'm glad it kind of worked out this way. Anyway, we have Ultimate Fast Pass
until January 2026.
Yeah, January 2026, we have full Fast Pass. So we're about to go hit Jersey Devil right now because we already have the QR code to go, and that's the best thing. It's the ultimate one too, so it's good.
Yeah, I mean, worth it.
Ready to do it?
Yeah.
Let's go. We just did Nitro and Jersey Devil.
Yeah.
Nitro's so good. We love Nitro. Nitro's good, and so is Jersey Devil.
Flash Pass for Nitro was definitely worth it.
Yeah, the Flash Pass goes through like the whole thing right to the front of the line. Jersey Devil, there was a little bit of a line, but it wasn't anything bad. So
for
yeah,
Jersey Devil, you have to leave your phone in a locker. They have to lock it, and you have to go back around and get it, which
we almost forgot it.
Yeah.
It wasn't a big deal though. I like that. I mean, because you have your phone with you with the Flash Pass, so what are you supposed to do?
Yeah.
I'd rather the wristband. It's just easier.
Yeah.
Hitting El Toro next. Is the giant wheel closed? Oh yeah, they are. All right, giant wheels open. Maybe at some point we hit Joker. I don't know, maybe at some point, but we don't know. Right? Wish we could do Houdini, but it is closed. It's Bugs Bunny. And the Flash, I'm so excited for this poster. Multi-launch, spikes, 2 spikes. Plus look at this like loop right here. Alright, we're about to go do the giant wheel though. Fast pass, of course. Alright, unfortunately we gotta cut it short. We hit some rides. We came last week anyway, so this is just kind of just to give some more footage, have fun. We got the fast pass, so like next time we can come back again. Yeah, what was your favorite ride?
Nitro, I think.
Yeah, Nitro is probably my favorite.
Jersey Devil's good.
I still think El Toro has to be #1 for me. It has to be. Every single drop is like an amazing drop. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends because maybe they'll like it. Anyway, guys, we're heading out. I hope you guys enjoy. Like we said, we're going to Busch Gardens. We decided Busch Gardens at the end of the month, so we'll see you guys then. See ya.
Bye.